Imagine if you could take control of your body and mind like a computer programmer takes control of a program. Welcome to the world of biohacking. Biohacking, in its most basic form, is a fascinating fusion of science and self-experimentation, aiming to energize and enhance the human body. It's about pushing boundaries and unlocking the full potential of our bodies and minds. Biohacking is not confined to just one aspect of our lives. It encompasses a multitude of areas, from what we eat to how we move, sleep, and even think. It's about optimizing nutrition, leveraging exercise, mastering stress, and harnessing our environment to make our bodies and brains function better. Ultimately, biohacking is a journey of self-improvement and longevity. It's about taking the driver's seat in your life and steering towards a healthier, happier future. So are you ready to become a biohacker? Let's explore how it's done. You are what you eat. In the world of biohacking, this old saying takes on a new dimension. Biohacking is a fascinating field where individuals leverage the power of nutrition to enhance their physical and mental performance. They view food as fuel, as a tool, not just something to satiate hunger or satisfy a craving. This approach is rooted in a deep understanding of how different foods interact with our bodies and minds, and it's all about making intentional choices to optimize health. So, how do biohackers use food to their advantage? Let's start with intermittent fasting. This isn't just about losing weight. Biohackers use this method to improve their energy levels and boost cognitive function. By cycling between periods of eating and fasting, they are essentially giving their bodies a break from digestion. This allows the body to focus on other processes like cell repair and detoxification, which can lead to improved physical performance and mental clarity. Then there's the ketogenic diet, a high-fat, low-carb eating plan that pushes the body into a state of ketosis. In this state, the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, leading to potential benefits such as increased energy, improved brain function, and even weight loss. It's a favorite among biohackers aiming for peak performance. And it's not just about what you eat, but also what you supplement. Some biohackers take specific supplements to enhance their nutrient intake. These could range from omega-3 fatty acids for brain health to probiotics for a healthy gut, or even adaptogens, which are natural substances believed to help the body resist physical and mental stress. Biohacking through food is a science and an art, a dance of balancing nutrients and understanding the unique needs of your body. It's about listening to your body, experimenting, and finding what works best for you. Remember, biohacking through food is not about following the latest diet trend. It's about understanding how different foods affect your body and mind, and making conscious decisions to optimize your health. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food, Happy Lifestyle. On this channel, you will get valuable tips to improve your health for a happy living. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Biohacking isn't just about what you put into your body, it's also about how you use and care for your body. When we talk about biohacking, most people immediately think of nutrition, but what we do with our bodies, how we move, rest, and recover, is just as crucial to our overall health. Many biohackers have turned to physical activities like high-intensity interval training or HIIT to optimize their health and performance. HIIT is a biohacker's dream. It's a form of exercise that alternates between short, intense bursts of activity and brief periods of rest. This method of training can help improve cardiovascular health, increase metabolism, and even boost brain function. But what makes HIIT a standout in the biohacking world is its efficiency. You can achieve significant health benefits in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional exercise methods. But biohackers don't just stop at their workout routines. They also use cutting-edge technology to monitor their health metrics and make data-driven decisions about their lifestyle. Wearable fitness trackers and smartwatches have become a staple in the biohacking community. These devices can track everything from your heart rate and sleep patterns to your blood oxygen levels and stress responses. By using these devices, biohackers can gather real-time data about their bodies, allowing them to tweak their routines and habits to better suit their body's needs. This could mean adjusting sleep schedules, modifying workout routines, or even altering meal plans. It's all about fine-tuning the body for optimal performance. And while all this may sound a bit intense, it's important to remember that biohacking is about self-experimentation. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another. It's about finding what works best for you, taking control of your health, and pushing your body to its fullest potential. Biohacking your body is about pushing your physical limits and optimizing your health through a combination of science, technology, and self-experimentation. Your mind is the control center of your body. If you can optimize your mind, you can optimize your entire being. Now, let's talk about how biohackers optimize their minds. They often use a mix of techniques such as meditation, neurofeedback, and nootropics. Meditation, a practice as old as civilization itself, is used to improve focus and reduce stress. It's about training your mind to stay present and aware, enhancing your overall mental well-being. Neurofeedback, on the other hand, is a more modern approach. It involves using real-time displays of brain activity to teach self-regulation of brain function. It's like giving your mind a gym workout. Then there are nootropics, substances that can enhance cognitive function. These can range from natural herbs like ginkgo biloba to synthetic compounds. But it's important to note that what works for one person may not work for another. Remember, biohacking is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a personal journey of self-experimentation and self-improvement. Biohacking is a fascinating journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. As we've explored today, it's a multifaceted approach that empowers us to take control of our own well-being. Through mindful choices in our diet, we can nourish our bodies at a cellular level, enhancing energy and longevity. With physical biohacking, we can optimize our body's performance and resilience. And by biohacking our minds, we can unlock greater mental clarity, creativity, and emotional balance. All these elements come together in the grand pursuit of self-improvement and longevity, a pursuit that is as unique as each one of us. Remember, it's not a race, but a personal journey. So why not embark on your own biohacking adventure? Start exploring the many ways you can hack your life to be healthier, happier, and more in tune with your body and mind. And as you do, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Embark on your biohacking journey today and discover the limitless potential within you. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Let's hack our way to a better life. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, subscribe to our channel and we'll see each other soon again. Stay healthy and see you soon. If you like our video, we would be happy if you share it with your friends. Support us with a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share your opinion with us.